I'm officially by myself now. If you can tell or not, I've had a very long night. Oh, what a night, eh? Oh. Welcome to this next place that we're staying for the following 3 nights. Oh, yes. Well, at least we've got AC. This is the main bit with double beds. Bit of a window there. Come through here. Got standard bathroom and desk down there if I need it. As much as my body's telling me I need to sleep, I hate wasting the day and just sleeping in, so I'm gonna do what I can and go do something. Oh, it's gonna be crazy. I've just arrived at the famous spot known as Cloud 9. Here instantly you're bombarded with people trying to teach you to surf.
You need instructor?
Yes, yeah.
It's 600.
600 for 1 hour?
Including the board and instructor.
Okay, cool. I'll come back. Jesse Surf Shop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have WhatsApp number?
Welcome to Siargao!
So now what I'm walking down is the long boardwalk, which goes all the way out. You can see over in the distance. As much as this island is still quite rural, there's a lot of investment going into it. And you can see big hotels going up just along the front here. One there, one there. So watch this space, because I have a very strong feeling that Siargao will be gaining a lot more popularity in the next couple of years. Oh. Yeah. That wasn't supposed to happen. Well, what better way to end the morning with a bit of lunch? Having a Hawaiian pizza, sitting there overlooking the walkway and the beach. Not bad for a midday Wednesday. Look at this, right above me. Absolutely no clouds in the sky. I'm extremely lucky to have this weather right now, because a lot of people I've met have complained about the rain. This is being recorded at the very start of March, which is just coming out of the rainy season, and I'm going to be an idiot and enjoy the sun without any sun cream. Look at this, easy chair, sitting here in the sun, probably getting burnt. I must admit, only after doing an hour this morning, I think I might get another board out today. I had a look, the boards cost 200 pesos per hour, so £3. Cheaper than a meal deal to hire a surfboard in one of the best surfing spots in the whole of the world. I can see how surfing can get addictive. Could definitely get used to this life. Okay, I've assessed the situation and I am ever so slightly burned. Note to self, never surf again without sun cream. Especially in tropical heat in the Philippines. I can already feel the burn, and it's literally been from today. Usually you feel it like the following day. No, I've full on got it today. You're gonna have to find some after sun in the town real quick.
Deep in the water, far as I can see. Deep in the water, it's just you and me. Deep in the water, far as I can see. Deep in the water, through your pregnancy.
I've just come back to Cloud 9 and I'm currently standing on the walkway again. First of all, I'm the only one here. This is literally right at the very start of it. This does actually light up, but they've got it off clearly at the moment. Absolutely pitch black, nothing but the waves. You can see down there, it's all the way up here on the beach. Closest place that I'm looking out to right now, pretty much from my understanding, is Hawaii. So there's absolutely nothing but sea for miles and miles. Pretty cool, but also pretty scary at the same time. Yeah, coming here at night, away from the crowds and everyone going out right now, hearing nothing but the crashing of the waves, is very peaceful.
Said you wanna take control of me, but I got all the answers. You want me done with the strip club, you know I'm done with them dancers. We made love under the moonlight and took all our chances.